Hello everyone, I'm Jeremy from Alibaba Cloud. Welcome to our How-To series in Technovate. Today I'm very excited to share how to implement global content distribution solutions with OSS and CDN. Before we go any deeper into the implementation, let's first look at what are the common use cases for content distribution. As an e-commerce company, you serve customers from all over the world. A user might post short videos, pictures on social media, or share with their friends overseas. A media website shares their videos all over the internet with users all around the world, and an app store needs to distribute their application packages globally. A company may host their company portal so that all global investors can use it in the same way. How do you provide equally great experience to users all over the world? This is what I'm going to share with you today. In all the use cases mentioned above, the goal is to distribute data to a location near end users. In a simplified architecture, all the original data are stored in object storage service, and the CDN service makes layers of caches across its content distribution network. When clients access the data, the content is served directly through CDN if it is already cached. Now let's take a look at how to do this step by step. First, create a source OSS bucket. This is the bucket you are going to use to store the original content. Next, upload sample content to the bucket. For example, you can upload a sample PNG file. Once the storage side is ready, configure a CDN domain name. This is the domain name your end users will see. There are 3 scopes you can select from depending on where your data needs to be distributed to. For example, you can select all regions excluding mainland China in the case where you don't need an ICP license. Then, create a CNAME record in your domain provider portal to redirect your site, www.example.com, to the domain alias provided by CDN service. This step is crucial to the configuration. It verifies your domain ownership and also routes user requests to CDN. Now, we are ready to verify access from a client using the original domain name with the file name. The GET request goes to www.example.com, which is resolved to the CDN service domain name. The CDN service will retrieve the data from the OSS bucket and cache it to serve future requests. This scenario can be fully automated. For example, this is a sample Terraform script for the slide above. There are 3 key resources we need to create: the OSS bucket, the sample image to be stored in the OSS bucket, and the CDN configuration. Once the script is executed, the setup on the Alibaba Cloud side is done. The CNAME can be automatically retrieved from the output of the Terraform script. Very commonly, content needs to be processed before it goes to the end user. For example, you may need to resize, rotate, or add watermarks to images. OSS supports lots of common media processing operations where developers can directly get processed content via a simple URL parameter. If more customization is needed, you can write custom logic in function compute to process the content and store the processed data in another bucket or a folder within your bucket. In either case, CDN can cache the processed content and serve it to the client. This is the end of the session. Thank you for joining us. If you have any question, feel free to leave us a message.